Next, we have the decimals to fraction game, which is more of a contest, to be fair. It's kind of lousy as a game. So in this sample round, the moderator provides 5 numbers: 1, 2, 5, 6, and 30. And we're not trying to use all of them. It's very different than the invisible fairy race. We're just picking 3 and seeing which can make this true. So for example, I could pick 1 and 2 and 5 and write 1 and 2 and 5, and 1/2 is 0.5. That works. My team would get a point. I could also pick 1 and 5 and 2 this way, and 1/5 is 0.2. And if you don't have 1/5 is 0.2 memorized, you can still do this contest. Just use your calculator, do lots of guess and checking, divide one of these by the other, and see what else there is. What's one other thing that can work? If I put 30 here, which other 2 numbers work? Yeah. 5 over 30 would reduce to 1/6, and that's going to be a repeating decimal.
And the
6 over 30, divide top and bottom by 6, and you get 1/5, which we just saw was 0.2. So that one could also work. So if you get all the combinations, your team could get the most points, but if you don't get them all, that's fine. So we just played this round before we started the recording, and there were the numbers. So there was a race and 2 answers were found. We could do 1/4 is 0.25. And we could do 1/8 is 0.125. And maybe you at home could find another possibility that works, but these were the 2 we found. So now we'll do one live. So remember, guess and check on your calculator is okay. Which ones can work? So we've found one. 4 divided by 25. That was 0.16.
16/20 is 0.8.
16/20 is 0.8. Because you can reduce the 16 and the 20 by 2 to get 8 over 10, and 8/10 is 0.8.
8/20 will be 0.4.
8/20, same thing. Divide by 2 top and bottom. 4/10 is 0.4. 4/10.
And then 20/25 will be 0.8.
Oops. And then 20/25 is 0.8. I saw one more of 4/16 is 0.25 because it's a quarter. You want to do round 3 or are you sick of this? Let's reveal it and see what people at home can do, and maybe we'll talk about it at the start of next class. How many things can you get? This can be homework if you don't want to do it now.